Hello, lovely people. I hope you're doing okay. I'm back today with my weekly spread. As you can see, I've already drawn it out because it takes a while to draw this out and put the stuff in. It's the same weekly layout that I've been using for several years. But for this one, Book July, I've added a little extra because I'm keeping the wrap in mind. This here is a specific spot for observations, except for the notes part. Observations such as how many hours of sleep did I get during the night. I had 2 parts, 10.5 hours for example, and I'm feeling very tired. This is also because I've been struggling with something viral. But I'm just, I'm just keeping some notes. I'm not supposed to analyze it, only observation. So are there any physical ailments? Are there any strong emotions present, etc.? And just as I said, this week I'm only allowed to observe, which I also put down here in my reminder box. Observation week. No analyzing yet. Just write it down. If I notice something, write it down and move on. As for the other daily boxes, you can see, luckily for me, there is not a lot of red present. Red is here and over there. That's it. It will make this week a little bit easier and less stressful. And it also frees up some time for all the things I would like to do for One Book July, for example. The classes in purple have been resumed this month, and any tasks that I have not written down yet will be done in blue. Where is my ballpoint pen? Oh, here it is. For example, I know that here I need to do a load of wash, so laundry. And I also have a hand wash to do. There we go. Just looks a bit scrawly, but I can still read it. That's all I need. The tasks in blue I usually write in the morning with my morning cup of tea. I also have a notes box over here where there's future appointments that I write down. For privacy reasons, I have not filled this in yet. I will just do this later on and then put a post-it over it. This is my running projects box. There is ACC, it's a course that I'm taking right now. It's a reminder to put some time in there. There's also the Artist Way Chapter 9 tasks that I would like to complete somewhere this week, hopefully this week or next week. And there's also One Book July, just in case, I totally forget who I am. On the left here, I have a reminders box where I put the reminder for the observation week. I also have some therapeutic homework and a note about when I'm having a panic attack, I'm allowed to use a helpline. I'll be going a little bit more into depth about the anxiety and panic related issues in another video. Do you have a specific weekly layout that you keep getting back to, or are you going to try something different this month? Let me know. I'm always interested to see how other people organize themselves. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!